Today, we are gonna fix FIFA 23 EA Anticheat service encountered an error. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. Before starting the solutions, we make sure that we completely close EA, Steam and Origin application that we use when opening FIFA 23. Also, we turn it off from the show hidden icons, because these apps are still running in the background. Right-click on the application and click Exit. In this way, we close it completely. Our first solution has two steps. Our first step is delete and reinstall EA Anticheat. For this, we click on File Explorer. Click on this PC. Then click on Local Disk C. Click on Program Files. We click on the EA folder. After doing this, we click on AC folder. Click on Installer file. Say yes to the pop-up window. Click on the icon here and select FIFA 23. Click on Install. EA Anticheat has been deleted. Click on Install and reinstall it. And EA Anticheat is reinstalled. Our second step is Run FIFA 23 and the launcher we use as admin. First, we right-click on FIFA 23. Click Properties. Then click on Compatibility. And click on Run this program as an admin. We click Apply and OK. Now, we will do the same process to whichever launcher we enter the game with. For example, if you are entering with EA, right-click on Application, click Properties, click on Compatibility, and click on Run this program as an admin. If you are entering the game with Steam or Origin, you need to apply this process in the same way. This was our first solution. If the solution worked, don't forget to mention in the comments. If the solution didn't work, we will move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to uninstall Anticheat application other than EA Anticheat on our computer. The reason we do this is because EA Anticheat conflicts with other Anticheat application while it is running, so it doesn't work properly. To uninstall Anticheat applications, we type Control Panel in the search section. Click on Uninstall the program under Programs. Here, we see the application installed on our computer. We need to uninstall the Anticheat application on our computer. For example, Faceit and Riot Vanguard. Right-click on the app to uninstall. Click Uninstall. Say yes to the pop-up window. The app has been removed. We apply the same process to other Anticheat applications. As you can see, the apps were deleted. After deleting Anticheat application, we need to restart our computer once. After restarting, we can check if the problem is solved or not. Another solution you can try is to delete the launcher that you used to enter FIFA 23 and reinstall it. You can enter FIFA from 3 different launchers. These are EA, Steam and Origin. Delete the launcher you have used when you playing game. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.